White Rann, the master of disguises. A geographical marvel that continues to leave its beholders awestruck. Kutch is surrounded by the Gulf of Kutch, Great Rann and Little Rann. This area remains dry with white mud and white salt during summer and transforms into islands during monsoon due to its proximity to the sea and rivers. Different shades of the white desert at Kutch. The White Rann of Kutch is a master in disguises, changing its appearances all through the days and seasons, making it a perfect destination for unique experience of a lifetime. Bask in the bloom of morning sun. In the mornings, the Rann dons a white coat and greets the fresh sun rays. By noon, the Rann reflects on your eyes as if asking you to leave it alone for a noon siesta. Behold the canvas called evening sky. The skies of white desert steal shades from the evening sun's splatter, spilling the hues of purple and often blending them with orange all their way across the horizons. Watch the full moon in its silver glory. On full moon nights, the Rann opens up its silver treasure trove that can only be reveled with the open mind of an explorer and wide eyes of a curious kid. Experience the moon right here on the earth. Come, explore, experience. Create your own Rann ki kahaniyan.